This is what we call the boiler room in Atlantis Baby project. Because here were the boilers, the oil tanks for the central heating, and we use this space now as an exhibition area, and probably we want to experiment to use stones and plants to make this room better or nicer. The art you see here is made by our, now correct me, 12th or 13th artist in resident, Torsten Stier, who also made a workshop in Atlantis Baby project to show people how to make such art on the computer, if I understand well, with free available software. Torsten Stier in the boiler room with fractal art in Kulenwakov. I'm very glad he was here and he is still a friend.